What if an AI could create your personalized meal plan in seconds? No more guessing what to eat. Today, I'm showing you the exact AI tool that's changing how creators and freelancers eat healthier, and it's completely free. Manual meal planning wastes hours. AI diet tools analyze your goals, preferences, and restrictions instantly. They generate customized plans tailored to your lifestyle. For busy creators and small business owners, this saves time and eliminates decision fatigue. You get science-backed nutrition without the complexity. MyFitnessPal nutrition without the complexity. MyFitnessPal TDs, not the nutrition stick rates. Personalized Poundlessy databases with AI recommendations. Nutritionix integrates for databases with AI recommendations. Each tool has unique strengths. On, play, and eat stressed. We simple conversations. Each tool has unique strengths. Or Jada use TL has unique strength. We'll compare features, pricing, and ease of use so you pick the perfect fit for your needs and budget. Open your chosen AI tool. Input your age, activity level, and health goals. Specify dietary restrictions: vegan, keto, gluten-free. The AI generates weekly meal plans instantly. Review recipes, adjust portions, and sync to your calendar. Most tools include grocery lists and macro tracking. Done in under 5 minutes. Track consistently using the app's logging features. Adjust your plan monthly based on progress. Use the AI's recipe suggestions to avoid boredom. Pair AI planning with our recommended productivity tools for complete wellness automation. Stay flexible. The best plan is one you'll actually follow. Ready to automate your nutrition. Like this video, subscribe for more AI tool tutorials, and comment which diet A you're trying first.